Hello everybody, this is the Scholarship Searcher here, and today I have for you the Global Health Scholarship offered by nursejournal.org. This scholarship is $3,000 and it is due July 15th. It appears to be an annual scholarship renewed every year. Um, the selection criteria for this is kind of picky and kind of not. I'll explain that right now. Um, for the not picky side, you can see right here that you just need to be enrolled in an undergraduate or graduate level in college. International students and military students are welcome to apply. But where it gets picky is that it states that you must be a global health student, and you're probably going to be in nursing, public health, or medicine as a result of that, or a physician. So it's very much sectioned off to those people. But you have to do two things for this scholarship. Well, besides, your contact information and the like, that's not hard. But you have to do an 800 to 1,000 word essay over the topic. There is an urgent need for global health professionals to address delivery strategies for the provision of critical health services, both domestic and abroad. What kind of skills do you think are necessary to be an effective global health professional in the face of a pandemic? Um, okay, I know that sounds kind of like personal based, but I think they're going to want research in this because it says you will also need to provide insights based upon facts to support any claims you make. Excuse me. A website I recommend for like research based because I feel like you could find some good scientific based articles on perhaps like certain qualities of nursing, improving the health of patients in a hospital or the like. One I'd really recommend is Google Scholar. Half of those articles you have to pay for, and don't pay for any articles, but but the other half you can just access for free. So I strongly recommend Google Scholar, or just but yeah, that's probably take that back. That's probably gonna be the strongest. Google Scholar is probably gonna be your strongest source of information. Um, Additionally, it says here, and I couldn't find a link like or a separate application for this, but it says they're not going to be only looking at your essay. It's only making up 50% of your score. They're also going to look at your registration and your work history and activities, with additional criteria selections being GPA, extracurricular, and employment history. So it is feasible if you didn't do as well on the essay, but your registration and work history and activities are really phenomenal. You could be a good candidate for this scholarship. But I think that is all there is to it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is The Scholar.